Another important thing when operating that you need to look out for on your load is a tag line. See that rope right there hanging from the load? That's there for the rigger. Whenever I bring the load to him, he can control the load so it doesn't sway and knock something over. So yeah, that tag line is super important. And if a load does not have the tag line, you are not allowed to pick it up because it's a safety issue and things could go wrong. It may seem pretty simple about a little rope attached to something, but it really does help the rigger control the load. So yeah.